YouTube, what up? I got a little surprise, y'all. Gotta excuse the wind. So for those of you that watched my first video, understand that I had a 2024 BMW M2. And a little backstory, there was a certain car I was trying to get before I got that car, but y'all got to take a look at what your boy just traded the M2 in for. Boom. It's a 2026 brand new BMW M2 competition. I didn't get X-Drive because I didn't feel like I needed it. Was in between different types, between the competition X-Drive and competition non-X-Drive. It looks a little dark in the picture right now, but tell me what y'all think, boys. This is gonna be the new car on the channel. It is in Tanzanite blue metallic. Damn, why is it so dark? There we go. But this is the new car, boys. Hasn't even been broken in yet. I'm actually halfway to the break-in period at 1,200 miles. For those of you know, with M cars, you got to get to 1,200 miles before you can break it in and actually drive it the way it's intended. You kind of have to baby it a little bit. But yeah, man, been absolutely freaking loving it. Of course, I got to show you the inside, but I did want to do a little walk around. This paint is crazy, especially in the sun. It's probably a little harder to see it right now. It's a little cloudy. But the wheels are exactly what I was looking for spec-wise. I wanted black. Top it off too. Let me show you. Hell yeah. We got the floating caps. But check it out though. The entire reason why I got this is right here. These freaking carbon buckets in Silverstone. But yeah, it is so sick, boys. Check it out though. That Tanzanite on Silverstone goes absolutely crazy. LCI steering wheel was absolutely what I was looking for. Carbon everything, y'all. This is what my other M2 was lacking. Was I didn't have carbon. I had like gloss black, but I have carbon everywhere. And you already know these buckets are insane. Like, I'm absolutely in love with these seats. Pretty much, I still got to peel, as y'all can see. Still got to peel the blue wrapper, which we'll be doing very soon here. Did get the windows tinted. Let's talk about that real quick. I wasted no time this time. I waited way too long to get my M2 tinted, but my boys over at the Tint Shop in Mobile have tinted both my cars for me. My boy Marcus from BMW put me on them, and they did a great job. But this thing goes absolutely crazy, y'all. Like I said, we've got some work to do in terms of carbon. I would love to get a carbon spoiler on this thing. But it has, you know, all the makings, as you know, for those of you that are, you know, into BMWs, especially M3, M4s, G80, G82s. Just like the possibilities are just so endless. I know it's a very popular car on YouTube, but for good reason, guys. Like, you can't get this combination of luxury, power, potential per dollar. It's unlimited for real when it comes to this platform. So I'm definitely looking forward to, like I said, I actually have an exhaust on the way. It's supposed to be here tomorrow, but I will probably wait till it's broken in, at least do the break-in service, and then next week, which I'm hopefully should have the break-in service done by, in my opinion, early next week. So I'll be able to get that done. I'm hoping that the wind isn't too bad. You know, I do have a little windscreen on it, on my mic, so you guys will have to let me know how that is. It's a little windy. We got a little storm coming overnight, but I wanted to get this filmed, y'all, and get this up onto YouTube ASAP, so that way I can get that going, be ready to film the second video once it's broken in. I'll be filming the exhaust installation, so I'll go ahead and do that. But yeah, but I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you guys so much. Definitely excited for you know, building this out. trying to take my time a little bit, you know, but I definitely want to get the exhaust taken care of immediately because this car is so quiet from factory. I had just gotten my exhaust done on the M2 probably about a month ago or so, and I enjoyed it while I had it, but I kind of found an opportunity to get into this car. I originally really wanted to get into an M4 when I got my M2, but couldn't quite make it happen numbers wise. But I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Like I said, this color, man. I had a 440 2017 that was carbon black metallic, I believe, which is basically like navy blue during the day and black during the night. So I'm excited, boys. Like I said, thank y'all again for watching. I appreciate you guys. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Please comment. Let me know what you guys would like to see next on this thing. There's not too many brand new 2026 M4s on YouTube from what I could see. I've definitely seen a couple, but I'm trying to take this from, you know, from the very beginning of the build and build this out and take y'all along the journey with me. So like I said, man, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Peace.